I used to own a brand new car in Iran, a Dena Plus Automatic, but after selling it abroad, I bought a much cheaper 20-year-old car, a Peugeot 405 with an MI16 body kit. First, I found a car on a listing website and went to check it out. I looked at its appearance and then took it to a mechanic and an expert for inspection. Since the car had been used for about 20 years, it came with a lot of issues. The problems included broken air conditioner, faulty steering, leaking radiator, worn out shocks making noise, damaged tires, full body paint needed. Today, I fixed the steering and it cost me about $85.